I just burned myself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck that. Sell it, I'll buy it.
I think it's all in the packaging. It's fucking phenomenal.
Oh, I think I've always struggled with trying to make everyone happy and also being me. I was a lot of times the version of Arden that I thought everyone wanted me to be.
You want to make partner, right?
Right. That's a clip from a new Netflix show called Partner Track, and recently I had the chance to cook and talk with Arden Cho, the star who
Plays a lawyer on the show.
I do, and Joanne is a real lawyer. It's incredible just to see a story being told from the perspective of a Korean American woman trying to break that glass ceiling in a very patriarchal world.
No idea how hard it is to be a person of color at this firm.
Do you ever draw on some of your experiences and maybe some of your peers who are men are getting paid more, getting the bigger parts? Has that been a struggle that you were able to carry into your role as Ingrid?
I feel like we experience it all the time. Even like the microaggressions and like the racism and the sexism and the opportunities that are lacking. And of course it's not every Asian American woman's journey, but it's so similar to mine and I love the growth.
Well, I think one of the most brilliant things about the show is it highlights how advocacy, representation, and being a strong woman isn't a cookie cutter thing. And one of the things that I love about Ingrid's character is that she's unapologetically her.
Got some lady lawyer here. You can just say lawyer.
I love that she is strong, hardworking, and she goes for it, but she still has a lot to grow too because she's obsessed with doing the right thing and making everyone happy at her expense. How many people do we know like that? I mean, so many.
What is it like being able to play a part where you can be so unapologetically Korean?
Who would have imagined that we would have a Korean family portrayed like this on American TV? We speak in Konglish. I think she worried about how obsessed I was with approval. I was obsessed with just being the best, making sure that they thought I was the best and making them proud because their way of showing love was just different than what I was seeing with my friends and their parents. My mom made a good point. She's like, her father never said I love you, but she was like, he never needed to. Well, all my friends, they do family dinners every night, but my parents are working. They're making sure you have a roof over your head and food to eat.
Let's say you're Ingrid, or even Arden, you worked 18-hour day. What's the thing that you come home to and you're like, I want to eat this right now?
At work, I'm just eating still a breakfast, lunch, and dinner that's all American. And so when I come home, all right, give me some jjigae or cook.
Well, Arden, next time we're totally making kimchi jjigae together. In the meantime, if you want to know what would happen if a K-drama in Suits married and had a baby, check out the premiere of Partner Track starring Arden Cho on August 26th.